Welcome to our video guide on downloading courses from Whop. Today, we'll dive into the myriad of offerings this platform has for learners like you. You might be asking yourself, why should I download courses from Whop? Well, let's explore the perks including offline access, convenience, and the ability to learn at your own pace. To get started, you'll first need to create your Whop account. Let's walk through the registration process together. Now that you have your account, let's familiarize ourselves with the Whop platform. Here's a quick overview of the dashboard and how to navigate it. Next up is finding the perfect courses to download. We'll show you how to search, filter, and select the courses that best fit your needs. Here's the moment you've been waiting for. Let's break down the download process step by step, ensuring you can easily get started with your courses. Sometimes technology can be tricky. In this segment, we'll cover common download issues you might encounter and how to troubleshoot them. Once you've got your courses downloaded, let's discuss the best practices for using them effectively in your learning journey. Whop is continuously adding new courses. Here's how you can stay updated and never miss out on exciting new content. In conclusion, we hope this guide has empowered you to make the most out of your Whop experience. Now, here are some final tips to enhance your learning even further.